Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. What are we going to do today? Well, glad you asked. So when we added this center machine camera to our game, and there it is. There it is right there. It's hanging out. So what are we going to? The center machine camera, we want it to track a target, and that target be Munyon. We want to track target, track Munyon. Okay, that's what we want. Why do we want that? Come on. Fly, Robin, fly. Okay, so let's play our game. And why is the camera not? Do I need to get rid of? Oh, I don't know. What are we doing? Here's center machine. Okay. Let me check my cheat sheet. He's got a center machine camera. You got a center machine follow and a center machine hard look at. How did he get those things? I don't have those. Wheel. I should be following though. I should be tracking a target Munyon. Yeah. So why are we doing that? Why aren't you tracking my Munyon? Wheel. Static. Nope. Oh, I know I did something wrong, but interactive, procedural, position, control. Follow the Munyon. There. Now what the heck happened? Where did my gameplay go? Well, that's quite peculiar. Let's reload that. Well, you're still not following my Munyon. Oh, yeah. Huh. Well, that's very interesting. I don't think I'm doing it right. Let's try this. Follow. Why does it keep doing that? Rotate with the follow target. Okay, let's see what happens. Huh. I'm kind of okay with that. Now the center machine follow. I want my Y offset to go up a little bit. And there. So let's make this negative 15 for right now. And then, oh crap, what a bunch of poop. Alright, and then let's, okay, and we're following. Then I want to, let's make that a, no, not a 34, you goofball. No, that's going to be 0. It's a rotational offset is what we want. that's... Oh, yeah, because that's a lion and an arrow thing. That's not a rotational thing. Rotation control, follow a target. So, oh, here, this is what I'm looking for probably. If we rotate around the x-axis, get my camera highlighted here. That's locked in. So, huh, wheel. Okay, hang on. So let's stop the game. Yeah, play the game again. Wherever follow camera, it's not exactly where I want it, but it's going to work for now. Camera. And we can't change this here. Like we can only change it like down here. Like if I made this a 2, for example, that should move our camera up. Or what do we change it to lock to target? What if we put a hard look at? That's where they got that hard look at offset. And I think, is that where? Yeah. So that's where I think we were able to yep. That's our distance. Okay. And that's our panning left to right, so we want that to be 0. Then this should be our up and down. Okay. And now we're looking over here. And as we cross over into view. So I like all of that. What I need to do is we're going to make that a 4. We'll make that a negative 13. We'll make that a negative 4. That's going to all change, right? So how did we change that? I think we did a lock to target. Follow. Was it hard lock to target? No, I don't think it was that one. We did follow. World space. It was like lock to target up here. Right? And then we had like a 4. And it was about a 13, negative 13. And that should be that. And then rotate with target. Oh gosh, we did something else. I don't remember what we did. Well, let's run it and see what we have. that. That's cool. That must be that rotate with follow target. So I think that we did the hard look at. Okay. So let's do that. Instead of rotate, we do hard look at. And then I think our hard look at was like a -4 for the Y. And that's what we had before. So then when we press, we can see our stuff off in the distance. We're going to get over here. And there's our, that's very interesting because, okay, you see the pictures being projected way out there. So, yeah, that's trying to kind of get a sense of the camera, right? Oops, sorry. We don't have any rotation controls yet, do we? No. So, we can't, well, we're doing a great follow cam, but we're not able to maneuver quite as well as we want. But one thing I don't want, I want to be higher up in the air, right? Okay, I don't want to be so far behind the target. Like, what's the blue axis there? Oh, come on, stop that. So, is that the Y? No, because that's the angle. So we want to leave that at -4 for now. We want that at about +4. Okay, so I think maybe for now let's just leave that at 11. It's close enough. And I don't think X is going to get me what I need. No, that's left and right. So I need, I guess, yeah, I want to adjust that angle a little bit, like that. And then, so let's just make that a 2. And let's play. Okay, that's fine. And in fact, for now, let's, we can make our speed about a 7. And that'll help kind of do our testing, like how fast we can move back and forth. That'll make our stuff about a 7. Now, did you notice I changed it on Munyon, but it didn't change on Flange, so that's kind of cool. And so you see Flange is trailing Munyon, but he's almost like I don't know. I'm just digging it. We're having an experience here, right? Okay, so I kind of like that. That's kind of fun to fiddle with. So let's go back to OBS and see how we're doing here. Let's go ahead and stop here, and I think we're doing fine for our camera setup, and we'll continue again soon.